prizes. Third place, 1,000 worth of SM shopping money. Second place, 2,000 worth of SM shopping money. At ang first place, ang best appetizer costume will receive 3,000 worth of SM shopping money. At ito po ang ating criteria na gagamitin ng ating mga guest judges for today. Creativity, 40%. Relevance to the theme. Ito po yung food-themed outfits. 30%. Originality, 15%. And overall appeal, 15% for a total of 100%. At nais ko pong ibigay ang special shoutout sa ating mga kaibigan from Pets Meet and Greet San Pablo City. Thank you for helping us out in organizing this costume contest. Kaway-kaway naman kayo. Thank you guys. Also, we would like to thank Tiger Eye Pizza of Barangay San Francisco for the dog cat shampoo na aking pong ipapamigay mamaya. And of course, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our DTI representative, Mr. Christian Tungohan. Hi, sir. Magandang hapon. And now, let us meet the panel of judges na may mahalagang trabaho sa araw na ito. Ang pumili kung sino ang cutest sa mga cute pets na kasama natin today. Our first judge is a teacher from San Pablo City Central School. Let us meet Mr. James Wong. Good afternoon, sir. Our second judge is the acting publisher of Laguna Courier and certified dog lover with 9 dogs. Please welcome Ms. Donna Aranguren. Our third judge is the Coco Star 2020 first runner-up and freelance model. Please welcome Shad Grimado. And to complete the panel, we have the city's renowned event director, pageant director of the upcoming Lakan at Motian ng San Pablo 2023, and the general manager of Palacios Events Place. Please welcome Sir Egay Victorio. Huwag na natin patagalin pa ang ating paghihintay. Gusto ko pong tawagin ang first 5 pet participants for today. Pets 1 to 5. Meron po kaming mga number na ibinigay sa inyo kanina. Pets 1 to 5, we would like to invite you to line up sa aking pong left side sa stage. Dahil isa-isa po kayong rarampa wearing your food-themed outfits. Alam nyo, pag ganitong malamig at maulan ang panahon, dalawa po ang paborito kong gawin. Ang mag-food trip at mag-cuddle with my pet. Pero ngayong hapon, dito sa SM, gagawin natin yan ng almost the same na sabay. Okay? Dahil nakakagutom yung mga inihandang mga food-themed outfits ng ating mga pets sa hapong ito. Okay? Again, calling all our participants. Pets 1 to 5 muna. Tapos standby po yung 6 to 10. Okay? Excited na sila, oh. Sino po kaya ang tatanghaling best appetizer costume ngayong hapon? Okay, let's begin. Judges, hopefully you are ready. Let us welcome our pet participant, number 1. Let's meet our pet participant number 3. Siyempre, kailangan may healthy naman tayong kainin, di ba? Our pet participant number 3 is wearing a carrot costume. Let us have participant number 4. its egg-inspired costume.